Alright, go.
I'm gonna put this on the vise.
So sometimes what happens is you get, where's the sleeve at? Oh, over here. So sometimes what happens is you get this thing, oh wow, this thing's pretty hot. So sometimes what happens is this thing gets stuck on there when it comes out with the lower control arm, and it's hard to get out. So what we're doing here is we're heating up the control arm, or what he's doing here is heating up the control arm, right there where the bushing's at, and we're gonna take an impact hammer and try to hammer that down. So you could do this at a house or something, or maybe your garage if you have a vise, but I don't, so we just decided to go to the shop and do it. This probably can be done at a house. And don't be worried about the sleeve. Also, you can get these replaced, I think. I don't know what it's called, but they're kind of expensive, so you might want to reuse the old ones. But, anything else you want to say, Ken?
No, just good luck if it doesn't come out.
Yeah, good luck. Another thing you could do is use a puller type tool where you have it on the top of the bolt right there, on top of that bolt, and it pulls it down. But this one actually came out really easily if you have an impact hammer and air compressor. Next thing you want to do.
When you try your best but you don't succeed.
Attempt number 2. And that's how you get it done, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, hold up. I got shit in my hand.
Huh? Clean that out. Just a little recap. So, for the control arm, in order to get it off, the actual sleeve was on there. Let's get the sleeve. Where's it at? Here. You alright? Yeah. So just a real recap. This sleeve right here was on there like so. It was on there pretty tight. And what you did is take an impact hammer and hit that down right there. And what happens is it slowly starts separating and it comes off like so. So this, you can actually reuse this for the other lower control arm. Because if you take out the sleeve, it's kind of hard to get it off, and then buying one of these is semi-expensive. But as you saw in the video, that's pretty much how you take it off. And there's also another way where you can have a puller. So let's put that on there. You can have a puller that holds onto that, and it pulls right there. So each time you twist it, it like slowly pulls it off like that. That is a little more, that's harder because it's not as fast as an impact heating it. But if you don't have this issue, now back to installing the lower control arm.